Hello viewers. Okay, now in this video we will complete remaining questions. Now the 63 questions we already complete in previous video. Now start from the 64. How do I love thee is a famous lyric composed by which of the following? How do I love thee ये जो है famous lyric किसने compose किया है? And the correct option is option number C, that Elizabeth Barrett Browning is a very famous poetess, wife of Robert Browning. Okay. Now, question number 65. अरविंद अडिगा क्रिएट्स इज कित्तूर मॉडल ऑन. अरविंद अडिगा का कित्तूर मॉडल जो है वह किस पे बेस है? एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, मैंगलोर. द ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम ओल्ड इंग्लिश टू मिडल इंग्लिश बिगिन विद द which period? Okay, and the correct answer is option number A, that language be taught in specific realistic situation. Now the question number next, क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 फिर से करेंगे. दैट इज द ट्रांजेक्शन फ्रॉम ओल्ड इंग्लिश टू मिडल इंग्लिश बिगेन इन द विच पीरियड? एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज नॉर्मन कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ 1066 और 1066. देन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 67. द सिचुएशनल अप्रोच टू फॉरेन लैंग्वेज टीचिंग. द सिचुएशनल अप्रोच टू फॉरेन लैंग्वेज टीचिंग रिक्वायर्स दैट. एक सिचुएशनल अप्रोच फॉर टीचिंग फॉरेन लैंग्वेज क्या रिक्वायर करता है? एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, लैंग्वेज बी टॉट इन स्पेसिफिक रियलिस्टिक सिचुएशन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. शेक्सपियर अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉनसन ऑफर्स. जॉनसन्स के अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉनसन शेक्सपियर क्या ऑफर करते हैं? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ जनरल नेचर. Now the question number 69. Structure, sign and play in the discourse of the human sciences was proper presented by Dash in 1966 at Johns Hopkins University, USA. And the correct option is option number Jacob Derrida. Structure, sign and play in the discourse of human sciences was proper presented by Jacob Derrida. Question number 70. By peripecia Aristotle means. According to the Aristotle, what is the meaning of peripecia? So the correct option is option number C, reversal of fortune. Good to bad, bad to good. Now the question number 71. When a nation cast of colonialism is also cast of the colonized man, what is the implication of Frantz Fanon? And the correct option is here option number D. When we became free of oppression, we regain our humanity. Now the question number 72. Omniscient narrators are necessarily, and the correct option is option number A, that heterodiegetic. 17. Question number 73. In which play does Carvino try to force his wife Cecilia to the protagonist beds? In which play does Carvino try to force his wife Celia to the protagonist bed? And here correct option is option number C, that Volpone. Now the question number 74. Who is the author of Diary? डायरी के ऑथर कौन है? एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, सैमुअल पाइपर्स. डायरी इज वेरी फेमस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. आइडेंटिफाई द मेंबर्स ऑफ द कोकनी स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री फ्रॉम अमंग द गिवन ऑप्शंस. एंड द कोकनी राइटर्स आर हियर ले हंट एंड जॉन किट्स. इट इज अ करेक्ट आंसर. सो द ऑप्शन नंबर डी. What is hypothesis? What is meant by hypothesis? So the option number B is correct. A statement that researcher want to test through the data collected in study. Now the question number 77. The first step research is. The first step of research is, which is the first step? And the correct option is option number A, identifying a problem. So question number 78. That which of the following is not a feature of Moscow? And the correct option is here option number D, that there is no restriction on the member of characters. Now the question number 79. Suzanne Lori Park is an black American playwright. Now during the region of King James, in which continent were the first British colonies founded? And the correct option is option number D, North America. What do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research? And the correct option is option number C, to bring out the holistic approach to research. Now the question number 82. Who among the following is not a representative poet of the Victorian age? And the correct option is option number C, W.B. Yeats. In the word management, the morpheme morphement is a. In the word management, morphement is a. And the correct option is option number A, that derivational morphemes. Then question number 84, who translated Waiting for Godot into English? And the correct option is here Samuel Beckett. Now the question number 85, who among the following didn't write a novel on the 1942 18 World War 1914 to 18 के वर्ल्ड वॉर में डिडेंट राइट अ नॉवल, किसने नहीं लिखा है, नॉट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो हियर दैट 85 TF Boyce. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, जॉन बुचन्स द 39 स्टेप्स इज. जो जॉन बुचन्स का 39 स्टेप्स ये क्या है, ये कौन सा नॉवल है? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हियर सी, रोमांटिक नॉवल है. Now the question number 87, Gabriel Garcia Marquez's novel 100 Years of Solitude is a story of, it is a Bundia family. It is known as a magic realism's example. So it is very important novel according to set and net exam. So the 100 Years of Solitude, it is story of Bundia family. Now the question number 88, who is the hero of R.K. Narayan's The Financial Expert? R.K. Narayan के financial expert novel का hero कौन है? And the correct option is here that option number मर गया. Now the question number 89, Rajmohan's wife is written by, obviously Rajmohan's wife is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee or Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The question number 90, the study of the structure of word is called. So study of structure of words जाना जाता है या उसे कहते हैं, that is morphology. Now the question number 91, which of these dialect of Old English? And the correct option is Northumbrian. Now the question number 92, Wordsworth writes humble and rustic life as chosen because in that condition the essential passion of the heart is. And the correct option is option number B, find to better soil. Now the question number 93, which of the following critic school pair is correctly matched? And the here correct option is A, Raymond William, belong to cultural study or associated with the cultural study. Now the question number 94, who does the term baroque means? What does the term baroque means? And the correct option is here A, grand and highly decorated style. Now the question number 95, true wit is nature to advantage dress, what of though but never so well explained. And the correct option is option number D, that is essay on criticism. Now we look before and after and pine for what is not, our sonorous laughter, with some pain in thought, our sweetest song are those that tell the saddest thought. Which of the following poet composed the above line? It is a very beautiful poem and option is B, P.B. Shelley. Now read the following poem and answer the question. So read the poem carefully and give the answers. Here is a poem. O Lord of the universe, grant me these wishes, let wickedness of the wicked cease. Okay, this is how the poem. Read it. Then the question number 97 on it, when can a person be truly contented? And the correct option is C, when he obtain that he cherishes. Then the 98, how can the wickedness of the wicked case? And the correct option is D, that when we wicked themselves develop the desire to good. The question number 99, these prayers spread the message of, and the correct option is B, the well-being of everyone in this world. And the last question, the sun in the poem has been used as a metaphor for which? And the correct option is duty. Here this is how we have completed 100 questions in both videos. Please watch the previous video for the 60 questions and remaining part which is remaining questions. If you really feel that really my videos are helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe.